Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 21st of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 17's testing for the Tesla predictions based on the option chain analysis. As usual, if you are wondering where these up, down, neutral predictions are coming from, go view my channel since there are very detailed videos going over the entire option analysis and technical analysis that goes behind these predictions. So if you are interested, go view my channel, and if you want to know by date where these are on the leftmost column or the day, one day above or before, depending on the either I uploaded on Saturday or Sunday. This is around where that video should fall. So this week, for the week ending the 19th, we predicted that Tesla goes up. Definitely not the case, since Tesla opened at 170 and closed at 147.05, which was actually a 13% loss for us. So that brought our cumulative P&L down to minus 18.72%. Whereas Tesla also had a minus 14.03% weekly change, and in a cumulative percent, we would have lost a percent of, well, cumulative Tesla return in this time period was minus 49.47%, so we have a 30.75% alpha positive, which is higher than last week. However, in an actual cumulative sense, we are in the negatives. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.